Here we are, Lesley's first wild camp for quite a while. And I'm going to vlog this one. I've never done a vlog before, I'm a blogger, but quite a few people have said that I should give it a go, so I've got my Osmo Pocket out and I'm going to give it a go. There's Lesley. We're off on our way up to up around Paddy Gorge way, heading towards Bole Hill Quarry, but we'll see where we end up. It's going to be a windy night, I think, but it's not going to stop us from having a good time. I'll catch you in a bit. We finally made it to camp. Lesley had to double back and go and get some water. Now she's texting her husband to make sure he's alright. But now we've got a right nice spot here. It's got some lovely views. I've not been here before. Someone else, because there's a campfire, but no, it's really nice. And up the back, just over there, I can do it. Up there, there's that's Bole Hill Quarry up there. We've just come off the other side. We seem to think there's somebody else going to camping up there. We saw somebody with all the kit, but probably pointless talking because you're not going to hear me because of the wind. But well, never mind. It's my first vlog, or whatever you bloody call them. There's mine. My setup was my Snugpak that Santa bought me. Lesley's got the old trusted Vango Banshee. Solid. It's solid in this wind. It's really, really good. It's really good. Anyway, we're going to start cooking some dinner now. So it's been a bit blustery tonight, and if I'm stumbling over my words, it's because I've had a hip flask full of single malt. The wind's kind of died down now. We've had our food. Lesley's settling down for some sleep. It's the first time really I've used the Trangia 27 outside, and I've got to say it's absolutely brilliant bit of kit. Cooked myself a nice curry with some frits, which was nice. But now we're going to settle down and get some sleep. Hopefully the weather will be nice through the night, but it's not guaranteed. It's going to be heavy rain, very windy. I've just had a message from Dan, people who know Dan. He's went over to Snowdon. He got to the summit, got back down, got to the second lake down the miners track, and disaster struck. The wind came in at 70 miles an hour. Crushed his tent, his MSR tent. All the poles went. So I've just had a message from him. Just spoke to him. He's in a local Premier Inn now. He had to bail. His tent was just wrecked, and he lost his sleeping mat. Everything just blew away. But as long as he's safe, it's all right, I suppose. He's all right. Bit disheartened because he wanted to spend the night in Snowdon, but that's how it is. We've had, this storm Dennis is lingering about, and it's made it difficult for him. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get some shut eye in a minute, so catch you later. So if we just packed up now, Leslie's just finishing off. We're just making sure we've not left any trace apart from a bit of dry grass, because it rained. But we woke up and it's quite clearer than what we expected. Thought it might be a bit rainy. The forecast was for heavy rain this morning, but it's always nice to pack up when you haven't got a lot of rain going on. Bit of some card inversions going on over Athersidge Way, over there. Just have a wander down here actually. If anybody wants to know, actually, the camera that I'm using is it's a little tiny little thing. It's a DJI Pocket, whatever it is. Yeah, Osmo Pocket. That's what it's called. And you can fit it in your pocket. And I've just got it on an extension rod. It can be used as a selfie stick, and I can control it from the selfie stick. So if I tap this, it'll turn round, and you'll see me wearing a stupid hat. Will it work? There we go. Flips round, and there's me with my stupid selfie hat on. But I don't need to, and I can control it up and down and all that sort of gimbal. But it's got like a gimbal. So as you're walking, it kind of stays, steady all the time. It's really good. Anyway, you've enough of me. I'll let you have a look at the view what we've got this morning. Flip it round. There we go. And there's the view. Quite nice. I bet it's really nice here in spring. There'll be Athersidge over that way, I would imagine. I went up there the other day. I went with Dan. Shatton. That's Shatton there. I always giggle when I say that. I don't know why. Shatton. Anyway. Right, it's time to pack up and make us way back down to the car. It's not far. Just a quick shoot over to Padley Gorge. Pull the extender rod back in. Yeah, so we're going to go. Oh, my hat looks really crap, doesn't it? Don't matter, it keeps me nice and warm. That's what I wore in Mongolia. It's good. Yeah, so we're going to walk back now and make us way back home. It was been alright actually. Not very comfortable, I don't know why. But probably because it was just a bit damp and my bones are a bit old. But no, it's good. Let's see what Leslie's up to. There she is, getting her stuff packed away. Get used to this in a minute. Yeah, there she is, getting her stuff packed away. It's time to get off. So if I put this on, I don't know if I will. I'll have a look at it and just see. Yeah, editing. So if I decide to put it on, I'll put it on. If I don't, I don't. Like I said at the beginning, I'm more of a blogger. I like to blog as opposed to vlog. But who knows? I might put it on. Anyway, I'll catch you up in a bit as we're walking back down the gorge. Back to the car now. Only just a short walk, but no, I really enjoyed that. That was pretty cool. And Lesley enjoyed it. Good for her to get out. Anyway, till next time. Like I said, I don't know when I'm going to vlog this or not. We'll see. Thanks for watching if I do.